Story time. So yesterday I had a lecture with one of the schools here in Cagayan de Oro, and one of my main question was, unsay imuhang buhaton if 3 months na ka nagamit, for example, unsay imuhang buhaton para maka-feel ka again og very high satisfaction now in terms of that drug. And luckily there were students who raised their hand. And nakurat ko sa isa ka tubag sa mga estudyante, no? Because out of the many schools nga ako ang na atinan and na lecturean, this is the new answer nga ako ang nakuha. Ang gingon is that yes, mutake kagamit og drug, pero para mas mabalik tong satisfaction nga imong na-feel at first is that butangan na ni siya og flavor. What's like a shabu with strawberry flavor? Or shabu with chocolate flavor? Kuya Juan.